Vasiष्ಠ temple. This is Rama temple. And the Vasishtha temple, Rama temple, and hot water spring are in the same location. Okay, listen, style. Here, this is the style of architecture. See these wooden carvings. And you observe mountains.